My name is Jacob Gill, and I'm here to talk to you about endangered animals and how we can help them. And I'll be talking to you about why they're becoming extinct and endangered, why is it important, and how we can help. First of all, about me, I am Jacob Gill again. I am a student at Alpharetta High School. I'm a senior and I'll be attending Auburn University in the fall. I'm also a dual enrollment student at Gwinnett Technical College, and I am taking a speech class, and I'm going to be talking to you about these animals. Okay, so question. Do you guys know what the difference between an extinct animal and an endangered animal is?
No.
One's already dead and one's soon to be.
Correct. An extinct animal is an animal that is no longer on the planet and has already been killed off or has no longer any species on this planet. An endangered species is a species that is about to be extinct or is in danger of extinction because of humans or just dying off. First off, why are they becoming extinct? Well, humans are the main purpose for their extinction. We are the main cause. We're the ones killing them, mostly. We are destroying their habitats by deforestation. We are chopping down trees to industrialize our countries, and it is killing off these animals either by these means or from them moving and not being in familiar habitat. We are also hunting them. We might be hunting them for their skin, their body parts, or maybe just for personal pleasure, but it is killing off these animals that are just too short on numbers, and we are killing off them and they are becoming endangered, and it is hurting our environment. But we cannot control everything that is killing these animals. Some of these animals are just dying because of natural selection or because of climate change. We are changing in our world, and with us cutting down their habitats, we are forcing them to move to a different spot. And they might not be familiar with that spot, so the temperature level might be different, lower, higher, does not matter. Some of them cannot adapt good enough, and then they are all dying. These species in our world, the population has declined 80% in the past 10 years, according to wildanimalhealthfund.org.
All species.
All species. We are the cause, and we can control that, and we can help them. Why am I here talking to you? Why is it important? Well, we need to preserve our animal life. We need diversity in our ecosystems, and we need our food chains to be stable. When we are killing these animals with the deforestation or they are just dying, it is hurting our food chain. Maybe with the animals, they might be a secondary consumer. That means they consume other things under them that are primary, maybe little insects that eat the grass or little flowers. If we kill the secondary consumer, then we cannot eat and control that primary consumer who is eating the grass, like a grasshopper. If a grasshopper is too abundant and they eat all of the grass, there's no grass left for them to eat, and they end up dying as well. And with the people or the animals that are eating the secondary consumer, they do not have anything else to eat, which might affect them and end up killing them too. And when we are killing these animals, some of these animals help us in our daily lives as well. Some of these animals eat insects that can be carrying diseases that do not affect these animals that are eating them, but can affect us humans. With the animals dead and extinct or endangered, they are not killing those insects that may carry diseases and can contribute to us having health problems. Type of animals that are extinct. You guys know that woolly mammoths are extinct. And endangered animals are snow leopards, polar bears, and giant pandas, along with many more. according to the GBIUSA.com.
What is that?
How can we help? The main way we can help is through donating to organizations that help these animals and conservation. You can go to gbiusa.com or support.defenders.org and help with the donation. We can donate anytime and any donation helps. You can also educate others like I am doing today. Educating others can help them and help other people to get along and go and donate and help these animals that are endangered. Maybe my speech today will enlighten a spark in you guys, and you guys do the same thing and go out and teach other people about these animals and how we can help them. You can also be a part of a conservation group. Conservation groups go around the world, if you're fortunate enough, to go and be first-hand on with these animals and help them with your hands and make sure that they are safe and sound. I had the pleasure to interview a person who was a part of a conservation group, Audrey F. Hughes. She is another student in our community, and she traveled to Africa in an endangered species animal conservation group. And she also attended a meeting in Africa about the plans that they have for these animals and how we can help them. One question I asked was, what did you learn and take out from Africa? And her main answer was that anyone in our community can help. Doesn't matter who, doesn't matter when, you can donate and you can help. Another question I asked was, what do you want others to know? That she wanted us to know that we are the ones making the mistakes. It's something that we can control and something we can prevent. The last question was, how can we help? She wants everyone to know that donating is really good for helping and also just educating everyone else in order, and we can just help everyone and these animals become better and have a safer life. So now I will be passing out a handout for more information that you guys can help these animals. You can learn more and donate on wildaid.org, or you can call 678-751-8984 for more information. Thank you, and to conclude,